Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss HTML abbreviation tags. That is very important, very interesting, and yes, most commonly used tag in every web page. So in HTML lecture series, this is our lecture number 25. And students, if you forgot to watch some previous lectures, you can check the description box. I have already added the link there. So in HTML abbreviation tags, we'll start with introduction part. After that, I will tell you how you can use abbreviation tags practically on your web page. So let's move to the introduction part first. As you can see here, HTML abbreviation tag is used to represent an acronym or abbreviation of a longer word or phrase such as www, HTML, HTTP, etc. What does it mean is, if you want to use abbreviation tag, there is no need to write the complete spelling. Remember this point, okay? There is no need to write the complete spelling in between the tags. If you want to use abbreviation tag, you just write it as ABBR under the tags, okay? So this tag is used to represent the acronym for any word, acronym for any longer word. For example, www. It stands for World Wide Web. So World Wide Web, right? So if I want to use World Wide Web as www, we can use ABBR tag along with this. In this video, I will tell you that how you can use these tags practically. The content written between abbreviation tags renders with dotted underline in some browsers. Okay, so in some browsers, you can get the output like dotted underline. This tag can be used with title attribute. So title attribute is compulsory attribute while using abbreviation tag, and the value of title attribute will be pop up when the mouse hovers over the content written between ABBR tags. Okay, so let's move to the syntax part. As you can see here, I have started abbreviation. Then what we do is we have closed the abbreviation tag. As we have discussed so many times that in between these tags, everything that we write in between these tags come under the category of what? Its attributes. So here title is what? Title is the common attribute of abbreviation tag. So this is the compulsory attribute. Abbreviation title, hypertext markup language, that is HTML. Then we close the abbreviation. So let's move to the practical section. As you can see here, I have already added basic structure of HTML abbreviation tags, right? What we need to do here is we need to begin ABBR tag and we need to close the ABBR tag, right? Then what we can write here is, I want abbreviation for, let's say, HTML. So what we need to write here is, we need to write it as title is equals to hypertext markup language. Let's just save this and then refresh. So you can see abbreviation tag here. Refresh. So HTML. Let me just increase the size of this particular section so that you can clearly check the output. Okay. So as you can see here, abbreviation title, hypertext markup language, and HTML. In the output section, you can just see the HTML only with the dotted underline. As I have told you in this introduction part that the content written between abbreviation tags renders with dotted underline in some browsers. So you can see the dotted lines here. And next we have discussed that this tag can be used with title attribute, and the value of the title attribute will be pop up when the mouse hovers over the content. तो जैसे ही हम इसके ऊपर माउस लेकर जाएंगे, only then we will be able to display, we will be able to check the output. So you can see here hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. So this is how abbreviation tags actually work. Okay, we can use so many other tags along with this abbreviation tag. For example, if I want to change the color, change size of this particular statement, you can check, you can use it. Okay, font color is equals to red. Then we need to close the font tag, save and refresh. Okay, now let me just change the size to 100%, that is general output of any web browser. So let me just give it size, that is 40. Save and refresh. So you can see this is how actually abbreviation tags work. Now let's take another example. Before that, let me just use BR tag here. Okay, what is the meaning of BR? You can comment me. ABBR. Okay, let's just do some experiments here. Okay, hi, I love HTML. This is my favorite language. Save and then refresh. You can see this is a general statement. So when we write abbreviation tags ABBR along with this and ABBR, we are closing this here. Okay, save and refresh. So you can see it is not working. Why? Because यहाँ पे हमने title को use नहीं किया है. Right? Now I just want abbreviation here only. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to use abbreviation tag after this love section. Okay, ABBR, and what we need to do here is we need to close this ABBR. Okay, then I am writing title here. Title is equals to you can write anything. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. Save and refresh. So you can see the difference. Okay, when I mouse hover over the hi, you can see nothing. Okay, but when I mouse hover over the HTML, you can see. I hope you understood the concept, right? So I hope everything is clear for you. Thanks for watching this video.